The gold melting furnace is designed for melting 1 gram to 12 kilograms gold. It is also suitable to melt other precious metal like silver, copper, palladium. The top speedy melting could be realized within 2 to 4 minutes. It has portable size, convenient to move. Now, turn on main power switch. Set the graphite crucible in the coil. Put material in the crucible. Press start button, adjust the power. Stir to make the alloy more homogeneous. Press stop button. Take out crucible with molten metal by tong. Turn off the main power 5 minutes later.